Hi, today we're going to demonstrate this nice Blanchard Model 1120 rotary surface grinder. This particular machine is currently wired for 440 volts. We've just freshly painted it and serviced it. We've done a little bit more than servicing. I'm going to tell you about that. We had the chuck off and the saddle out of the machine. The saddle ways have been scraped, the side, the top. The saddle itself has been scraped to restore all the correct geometry. It's nice and tight, there's no slop, smooth and tight like it's supposed to be. The chuck life on this machine is just shy of a ½ inch. It's almost brand new. 15 horsepower spindle. It's got newer Blanchard brand Neutrofire controls for the magnet. The old ones, original ones have been replaced. With the newer controls, you get the safety interlock that will not allow you to start the spindle without the magnet being on. So let's turn the magnet on so we can start the spindle. That's the spindle and the table running. You can set the automatic feed down. And it will feed down up to 50 thousandths and then it shuts off. It also has the proper dresser for the cylindrical wheel. So you can dress the wheel. What else we got? Got all the different chuck speeds. You can really speed it up if you want. The standard 4 speeds you always have. Power up and down, I don't know if I showed that. We'll show it again in case I didn't. The 4 speeds, built-in coolant pump in the back. Like I said, we've gone through it. Oh, and I almost forgot, it also has the, sorry, we got to come around the front again. It has the Trabon central lubrication system installed. It lubes your spindle bearings and your ways and all that good stuff. It's over here mounted on the side on these smaller machines. We just went through that, put a few new grease lines on. Everything's working good. All of those new freshly scraped ways are getting plenty of grease like they should. That's about it, I think. Thanks for watching our video.